We'll guide you through how to add text to a video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I've got a video here I want to add text to. To go and do this, we do need an app. So press search at the bottom and type in Microsoft Store. You can go to the top and you want to go and search for an app called CapCut. This is the video editor. Here it is, you can go and tap on it and install it. I already have it. Once you've got it, press search at the bottom and you can go and type in CapCut and open it. Go to the top left and select media and press import. You can then go and select what you want to do this with, press open. Then you can go and drag it into your timeline like so. Go to the top of CapCut and press text. Then you can go through the different text here. I'll just go and add some default text by pressing the plus, select it in the timeline, and then come over to the right. Edit what it says. You can go and choose the font, and you can then go and choose the size of it. Choose if the pattern, the case, the color, the character, the alignment. Keep dragging down, you'll see different options. In this case, I want to add a shadow like so. And of course, we can go and adjust that as well. Position it where you want it. And of course, you can start adding more text as well. And then we want to go and save it, press export in the top right. Choose the name and where you want to export it to and press export. That's it.